What if I told you there was a secret ingredient that can take your boring rice to absolutely irresistible? Stick around because today we're making cilantro lime rice. To get started on making our cilantro lime rice, first we have to cook our rice. So I used jasmine rice. I did 1 cup of jasmine rice and 3 cups of water with a little salt. And we've cooked that. Once you bring it to a boil, let it simmer for 15 minutes, and then we're gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes. With a fork, fluff it up. We're gonna let that sit. Perfect. Now we're gonna transfer it to a bowl and add all of our other ingredients. So we have our rice here. We're gonna take 1 clove of garlic. I'm gonna mince this. Take lime. So we have our lime here. We're gonna do juice from 1 whole lime. And the lime here is not just adding flavor, but it actually balances the cilantro and makes it even taste fresher. The cilantro and the lime have a perfect balance together. So I'm gonna put this here. Nice and refreshing flavor. And then, of course, our cilantro. So here, we're gonna take our cilantro and chop this up. Now, here's a fun fact about cilantro. Some people think that cilantro tastes like soap, which is actually a genetic thing. So if that's you and you do not like cilantro, then you can swap out the cilantro for parsley, and the dish also tastes just as delicious and refreshing. So we're gonna chop this up. That right in your bowl. A little bit more. Oh my goodness, such a distinct smell, the cilantro. For me, it smells amazing. A little pinch of salt. Mix this together. And this rice looks amazing. So this cilantro rice can be your base for any protein. It goes so well with shrimp, chicken, meat. It's perfect for any base of like a rice bowl if you wanted to do. And it has so much flavor. So we're gonna transfer it right in this bowl for serving. Garnish it with a little bit more cilantro. Look at that. Perfect. And this bowl is ready. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for some of my favorite products.